Let's go!
Aren't we forgetting someone? Wake up, Angus. Time to play. Wow, the Great Wall of China is so long.
Cool. It goes on forever.
I'd love to see what it looks like from the top. Come on, Angus. Come on, Ling Ling. Oh, where's Ling Ling?
Ling Ling is just like my baby brother Sean, full of bouncy energy.
Ling Ling's very excited to be home.
A little too excited, if you ask me.
It'll be hard to search for clues to help Nanny find her missing box if we're running after Ling Ling all the time. Oh! I've an idea. We'll play a game of hide and seek.
Great idea. That always calms Sean down.
Then we'll have plenty of time to search for clues.
Great! 8, 9...
Coming! Ready or not, this'll be easy. Come on, Saul.
She's bound to be hiding in that watchtower.
Where are you, Ling Ling?
We're coming to find you.
Found you!
Oh. She's not here?
This way. Oh, I think Ling Ling is better at hiding than we thought.
Huh?
I think I know where Ling Ling is. Ready? Found you!
Aww, it's just the breeze moving the branch.
Wow, Ling Ling's like a hide-and-seek wizard. Okay, where to next?
Straight ahead.
Aw, Ling Ling's way too good at hide-and-seek.
We're never going to find her.
And we're running out of time to find any clues for Nanny. Oh, Angus, it's just a drawing. Angus!
Uh-oh, the longest wall in the world is now 2 shorter walls.
It's okay, Ling Ling. We know you were just playing.
Yeah, it was an accident.
But we can't leave the wall like this. It's been here thousands of years. We should leave it as we found it.